In psychology, a prime is anything that triggers a thought in your mind. Thoughts that have been primed are now more accessible to your brain, which means they'll have more of an influence over your other thoughts, feelings, and behavior. For example, the moment you hear or see the word panda, your brain instantly activates your memories and feelings about pandas, and other associated concepts like zoo, China, and bamboo are now also closer to the top of your mind, so to speak, even if you don't consciously notice it. In fact, with a prime like this, it's impossible not to think about pandas. So what happens if you see this shirt? The only thing primed is probably the concept confusion because you recognize the individual letters and numbers, but they don't seem to have any particular meaning. But when my little sister puts this shirt on and sees herself in the mirror, she'll see that it primes the concept I am loved, which means that thoughts about all the people who love her are brought to the front of her mind. And who doesn't like being reminded that they're loved?